guys, what's up? Wagwan! Welcome back to my kitchen today. Now today I'm going to do for you a Jamaican dish, and this dish is called seasoned rice. And I have some ingredients that I will be working with today. Don't worry yourself, I will show you the ingredients. Here I have some onion, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, a little bit of piece of thyme, some scallion, sweet corn, and green peas. Over there, I have some natural seasoning. I'll be using some salt, and I also have my coconut milk because I'll be cooking my seasoned rice down in coconut milk. And I also have some leftover chicken. And guess what, guys? I add some bacon to it. No, I already put my pot on the stove with 2 cups of water, and now I am going to season my pot with some salt and some seasoning. 1 teaspoon of salt into 2 cups of water. Boo! There goes my seasoning. My salt, there goes my salt. Yeah. Boo! There goes my seasoning. And you know what, guys? I am going to mix that around. Then I'm going to taste it to see if it need a little more salt or it need a little more seasoning. In this case, it need a little more seasoning, so I'm just going to add a little more seasoning to it. Oh, there goes my seasoning. And just going to stir it around. Now, guys, I am going to add my coconut milk. Now, you don't have to cook your seasoned rice with coconut milk, but I chose to use coconut milk in my seasoned rice because you know coconut milk bring out the taste and bring out the flavor. So there goes my coconut milk, and I'm going to mix that around and ensure that the coconut milk dissolve with the water. And I'm still stirring it around. Now, guys, after I finish stirring this around, I am going to add in my veg. There, I'm putting in my scallion. Then I'm putting in my bell peppers. And if you notice, I have 2 different bell peppers. I have red and I have green bell peppers. Then I'm going to put in my onion. You can omit some of these things that I'm putting in my pot. I'm not going to put in my thyme and my scotch bonnet pepper as yet. Like I said, you can omit some of these things. Now I'm going to add in my sweet corn and my green peas. You can omit some of these things by not putting it in your seasoned rice, but I chose to use all of this in my seasoned rice. You can also add okra to your seasoned rice, but I chose not to add any okra to my seasoned rice today. You can also use saltfish in your seasoned rice instead of using chicken and bacon. You can also use ackee in your seasoned rice. You can also use pop chow in your seasoned rice or callaloo or kale in your seasoned rice. But today I chose to go the other way. I chose to use chicken instead of instead of the other things that I just mentioned. Now, guys, I cover my pot and I let it boil for 15 minutes. And now the 15 minutes process over and I'm putting in my scotch bonnet pepper and my piece of thyme. And I'm going to now add my chicken and my bacon. Remember, guys, you have to let the coconut juice or the coconut milk boil properly because if you don't boil it properly, then it will give you belly ache. Then, I had a little piece of butter. The butter also blending with the coconut milk and it's going to make your rice just nice and moist. Now I'm washing my rice. And you see, I'm washing my rice in a strainer. It's more easier and you don't have to push your hand down into it to wash it. So guys, I'm washing my rice in my strainer. Now guys, as you can see, all my other ingredients boil, and so I am going to pour in my rice into the pot, and I'm going to stir it around and ensure that the rice settle properly into the pot, and then I'm going to cover it and let it steam for about 15 or 20 minutes. I'm just getting the custard from the pot side, the rim of the pot. And now I'm going to cover it, like I said before, and let it steam for 15 or 20 minutes. Now, this is the time, guys, where my rice steam. And I'm just stirring it around and looking for the pepper. And when I find the pepper, and if I see that it wants to steam out a little bit more, you can also put a piece of foil over your rice if it does not, if it still have some grains in it that does not cook properly. You can cover it with a piece of foil and just let it steam a little. But in this case, when I find my pepper, I'm just going to cover back the pot. And guys, guess what? I'm just going to let it steam for another 2 minutes. And then afterwards, I will plate it and let you see what my seasoned rice looks like. Now it comes to that time again. 2 minutes pass and the rice, my pot is finished. And guess what, guys? I'm just going to stir it around a little and then I am going to plate it for you. Don't worry yourself, a hot plate of seasoned rice will be coming your way. After I finish plating this meal, I am going to top it off with some shredded carrot and some cherry tomato. So I hope you like what I did for you in the kitchen today. Don't be afraid to give me a thumbs up. Don't be afraid to subscribe to my channel. Don't be afraid to give me a thumbs up, thumbs down if you didn't like what I did for you in the kitchen today. So guys, until next time, go and bless up yourself now. Walk good, choose peace. You know your girl is out. Until next time, guys.